Good morning, children. Yes, in previous class we have learned different people as to that is life in villages. Yes, how is the lifestyle in the city and villages are different? There is so much difference are there. They go for factories or jobs in the cities, but whereas in the villages they do farming and they travel by cars, motorcycles. They in the villages they travel by bullock carts. Yes, there is so much. The lifestyle is so much different from villages to cities. But now today we will learn S3 life of tribals. In the tribals also the lifestyle will be so much different. Okay children. Now by in detail we will learn a boy story is there. Open your reader block 10 different people. A boy story is there. How he lived, how his lifestyle is there. We will learn from the reader. Yes children, did everyone open your reader? Block 10 different people. I told you about, we'll read about a boy story, right? See, this is the boy story. The boy from the forest. Yogi lives near a forest. He is a tribal. His forefathers have been living here for thousands of years. He lives with his father, mother, and sister in a house made of mud and bamboo. Every morning, Yogi hunts for fruits, berries, and nuts from the forest. He gathers wood and branches of trees to make mats and baskets. His father collects plants and leaves and make medicines for the people in his village. In the evening, they light a fire and sing and dance using drums. On festivals, they wear feathers and flower garlands. Yes, children, this is the boy story. Boy story. Who is the boy? Who is the boy, children, in the story? Yogi. What group of people does belongs to here? They belongs to tribal children. He is a tribal. They belongs to a tribal. This is the life of a tribal. How the lifestyle of it will be. Where they live? They live near the forest. Yogi lives near a forest, and Yogi is a tribal. Where they get food from, where they go and get the food, they hunt fruits and berries and nuts from the forest, and they gather wood and branches of trees to make mats and baskets. What did you come to know about this way of living, children? They live near a forest, and they are the tribals, and they don't go to the shops and get the things for them. They don't sell or buy the things. They only hunt there only for fruits and berries, and they eat that only. They make the house, what the material available, what are the material, mud and bamboo, they make from that only. And they have a festival. They will sing and dance. They will light a fire and sing and dance using drums. On the festival, they wear feathers and flower garlands. This is the story about a boy Yogi, how he lived in the forest. He is the tribal. Okay, children, this is a story. Yes, children, we have read from the reader a boy story. How the boy is living and what the lifestyle of the boy. Let us read in some small summary. Life of tribals. Life of tribals. Where they live? They live near hilly and forest areas. They live there only, children. Now in cities, we live in the houses made up of cement, bricks and everything. And in the cities, they're made up of mud and everything. But in the villages, they live near the hilly and forest areas. The houses they are made up of natural materials around them. What materials they found there, like straws, sticks, like branches and everything, they gather them and they made their house with the natural material. And they dance on drum beats. You can see in your reader how they dance. Yes, how the tribal people were dance. Their clothing and everything will be different, because all we what we get in what availability is there nearby our houses, they may not get, because they are living in the forest areas. Yes, so though they don't get the all facilities what we have. So the lifestyle of the tribals will be different from the villages and cities. Okay children, now everyone open your ear. Okay, children, did you all open your reader, page number 66? Let's read the third topic, life of tribals. Tribals are people who have their own way of living, which has been the same for many years. Many years. Many tribals live in hill areas or near forest. Those living near the forest depend on forest to earn their living and for their food. They also grow crops and rear animals. Some tribals live in houses made of grass, branches of trees, leaves, or bamboos. There may not be proper good hospitals, schools, or markets near the forest or hills where the tribals live. On festivals, many tribal men and women wear special dresses and ornaments and sing and dance to beats of drums. Yes, children, you can see they wear special dresses for the festival and they sing and dance. See, this is the tribals festivals, celebrating tribal festival. You can see here, tribals celebrating a festival. And this is the tribal people of India, how they live. You can see how what they are wearing. They are different from our SMA. See, they are wearing the clothing and everything is different. Their way of life is different. So, this is the life of the tribals. Children, now everyone open your volume to workbook, page number 12. That is tribal people. Our S3 topic, tribal people. Write today's date, that is 29/10/2020. Okay, children, S3 topic, tribal people. What is the first question? How are tribal people different from people living in village? How they are different, ma? What the tribal people will, where the tribal people will live and where the villages will both live together? No, children. Yes. So that is the different. You can write only one point. I'll show you one point, but try to write the other answer because you have a life of villagers and life of tribals in the reader. Read the topic and write the other point. I'll show you one point. Okay, children? Yes, children, see the one point I have written for your sake. This is the example and try to read from reader and write the other point, children. Okay. Tribal people in India are mostly found in hilly or forest areas and villagers live in village. Okay, children, let's read the second question. Imagine you are a tribal boy or a tribal girl. Write about a day in your life. Yes, children, we have read a boy story, a tribal boy story. Think that you are a boy or you're a girl, tribal girl or a boy, and write what you do on if you are a tribal girl or a boy, how your life will be. Read that story once again and be in that boy's place and write the second answer. Okay, children, this is your own answer, children. Try to write your own answer by reading the topic from the reader. Okay. Third question. What are the people in the picture doing? You can see the picture here. What they are doing? They are drumming the drums to that beat. See, you can see they wore the feathers. Yes, dress. They are singing and they are dancing. This is on the festival. The tribals will do like this. Okay, children. By seeing this festival, we'll write the answer. This is the answer. The tribal people are enjoying by singing and dancing to the beat of drums. They are wearing special clothes and jewelry. See, these are the drums. They are singing and dancing and they are wearing the special dress and jewels. And you can write the other point also. They are wearing feathers on their heads also. Yes, you can write that point also. But this is the answer. You can write extra by reading from the reader. Okay, let's see the fourth question. What is the relationship between tribal people and the forest? Yes, children, see the answer. The tribal people fulfill their needs from the forest because they are getting everything from the forest only. So, they are fulfilling their needs. That's why there is a relationship between the tribal people and the forest. They get wood, fruits and bamboo from the forest. And you can write the other answer also. There are some tribals that only hunt animals and gather food from forest. They do not do farming. Okay, children, this is your answer. First answer you have to write it down, and second answer is your own answer. Try to be a boy or a girl, tribal girl or a boy, and write the answer. And this is the third answer, and this is the fourth answer. Okay, children, read the topic from reader and complete your workbook. Now let's do the classwork. Did you open your reader? Page number 68. Open your reader, page number 68. First we'll do the true or false, children. Yes, I told you to copy the true or false in your classwork. We'll write the answers now. Okay. Villages can be different size. Yes, children, villages can be the different size. True. Most people in India live in cities. No, children, most people live in cities. No, there are villages, there are forests, they live there also. Already we read, right? Yes, false. People in cities go to office and factories to work. Yes, children, people go to office and factories to work in cities. Tribal people do not enjoy singing and dancing. They do not enjoy singing and dancing. No, children, they enjoy, right? So it is false. Buildings, restaurants and cinema halls are found in small villages. We found all these things in small villages? No, children. So it is false. These are the true or false. Write down the true or false answers. And see, this is your second question and third question. Already we have done the first question. How do people in cities travel? Let's read the second question. Fourth question is your second question. Fifth question is your third question. Where do the most tribal people live? How do tribal people get their food? And the answer is in page number 66, children. Turn page number 66. You can see here in the fourth line, many tribals live in hilly areas or near forest. Those living near the forest depend on forest to earn their living and for their food. From here to here is your second answer, children. Okay, tick with the pencil, children. Okay, let's read the third question. How do tribal people in India celebrate their festivals? How they celebrate, ma? They wear special dresses and ornaments. They sing and dance to the beats of drums. Yes, children, you can see in the picture. See, children, this is the answer. Third answer. Tick, children, tick with the pencil. On festivals, many tribal men and women wear special dresses and ornaments and sing and dance to beats of drums. This is your third answer, children. Okay, complete your workbook. And in your classwork, I told you to write already questions of true or false. Write these answers, true or false answers, and write the second and third answer in your classwork. Complete your classwork also. Second and third answer is this. Okay, complete your workbook and classwork and read the topic from the reader, Life of Tribals. Okay, children, thank you.